Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. In today's video, I'm again going to demonstrate another Rakhi design for which I'm using these kind of square beads, some pearls, red color silk thread. I'm going to work this in silk thread this time, and crochet hook number 10. You can use acrylic yarn, anchor, cotton thread, whichever yarn you have at your place. You can go ahead and use that. So first I'm going to start off by making a slip knot. Once I have the slip knot, I'm going to fix this knot to the bead like this. So pull it tight. Now while we are working, we will conceal this tail so that we have nothing loose hanging. So I'll start with 2 chains and I'm going to work double crochets. Just keep working double crochets until the complete square bead is filled. This is a very easy design. So just keep working double crochets. So far, this is how far I have got. I have another side to finish. I'll just keep working more double crochets. I am not even counting. I'm just continuing to work until the complete bead is filled with double crochets. So here I have finished working all the double crochets. I'm going to fix this in the 2 chains. In the second chain, remember in the beginning we worked 2 chains. So I'm going to do a slip stitch. So with that, our first round is complete and this is how our square looks right now. Now this step is extremely simple. I am using pearls. You can use gold beads, crystals, anything of your choice. I thought with red the pearls will look pretty, so that's the reason I'm using pearls. So just going to pick up one pearl, insert it into the thread, skip one stitch and do a single crochet in the next stitch. Now before that we will have to turn the work. Turn the work, skip. I'm going to skip this stitch and in the next one I'm going to do a single crochet. Again, we'll just repeat the same process. Push the bead. Every time you're going to skip one stitch and you're going to do, see, this is the stitch I'm going to skip and I'm working a single crochet in the next one. So I'm going to finish everything in the same way. Here is another point you can keep in mind. The size of the pearl I'm using is almost 4 mm. Since the pearl is 4 mm, I'm skipping the stitch. If you're using 2 mm size bead or even 1 mm size, you can just add bead in the every stitch here without skipping. So that is a point that you can keep in mind when you're choosing the size of the pearls. So this is how it looks after adding beads all around. Now I'm just going to trim this tail that we have been concealing. Next, at this stage, if you wish, you can change the color. I want to finish the complete thing in the same color, so I'm going to continue with 3 chains, and after every bead I'm going to make a single crochet. It's an extremely easy step. Basically it just creates like an outline around the pearl. So each time work 3 chains and a single crochet. 3 chains and a single crochet. So here's the last. I worked 3 chains. I'm going to just make a slip stitch to end this. Chain 1 and trim. So this is how our beautiful Rakhi is looking. Now we'll see how to do the thread. Before we move on to the thread part, let's knot this. I'm going to glue it and trim off the excess, and then we will paste it here. Just trim the extra, and then I'm going to glue it here. Next, to work the thread, I have taken about 60 to 70 centimeters of 6 strands, and I have doubled it. So once you have 60 to 70 centimeters of long thread, you're going to fold the thread like this. Okay, fold it, and exactly this is the other thread that I've already added. Now I will be adding this one here. So I'm just going to insert the needle like this and pull this loop like this. Pull it and make sure you insert your finger like this, because through this we are going to pass the other part of the thread. So that way the thread gets fixed here flawlessly without any knot like this. Now we'll just insert the needle and start working chains. Now here in total you will have 12 strands, because we have taken 6 and we have doubled it. So it may be slightly challenging for beginners to work the chains using needle number 10. Here you can switch the needle. You can maybe use 7, 8 or even 6. So just keep working chains to how much ever length you want the string to be. So I think I have enough length. This is completely up to you. You can do how much ever long you want. Next, you will just pull whatever is there on the hook and make a knot. After making the knot, I'm going to hold both these together like this. Leave about 2 inches thread, because it just looks nice that way, and trim off the excess. So our Rakhi is ready in like 10 minutes. So this Rakhi, make sure you handcraft something to your brother. I will try and share a few more designs that I have in mind. The center, I'm going to leave it like that. If you want, you can stick a mirror or a kundan. And here's the final look. You can also add some beads here. I'm just going to leave it like this. It just looks nice this way. So yeah, let me know what you think about this design. And if you are going to try this one, comment below which colors you would try. If you like the video, please make sure to hit that like button. I'll see you soon with another interesting project. Until then, take care and bye bye.